Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video and review. And today we are going to get into my February tray. So if you're interested in seeing what's going to be on my tray, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you are new to this channel, my name is Amber. And on this channel, we review fragrances and body care. And we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, join the family, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, we're going to get right into this February tray. And if there are any fragrances on my tray that you want like a dedicated review on, let your sis know in the comment section. But let's get into the month of love. February, honey. I love February. I love all the things. And I have a few things to do this month, so not much. But I've been in this fruity mood. I want something heavy, but something with fruit. And I've also been on this pear vanilla kick. I don't know what that is about, but I am loving the pear vanilla type of fragrance scent. I don't know. We're going to get into it so you all can see what is on my tray. And we're going to start off with this beauty right here. Look at this, okay? When you talk about February, when you talk about love, you have to talk about Diesel. And this is Loverdose Red Kiss. Do you all have this? Honey, this has your sugar, your black currant, apple, bergamot, cacao pods, hazelnut, patchouli, and amber. This beauty right here is so good. Like if you're going on a date, and I would say this is more of like a casual date. It's not like a fancy date, but something easy breezy. And you can just wear it in the month of February, which I'm going to do. But you can wear it in the month of February if, you know, that's what you're wanting to do. But I would highly recommend, I believe I got this from like a Nordstrom's rack or something like that. I can't quite remember, but it was something towards that way, like a Nordstrom's rack or a TJ Maxx. I feel like it wasn't TJ Maxx, but either way, if you see this available, I would highly suggest it. If you like a sugary apple, but with a little kind of a chocolate hazelnut type of vibe. Oh, so good. Moving on. I have, of course, MFK. And this is none other than Gentle Fluidity Gold. Honey, I have, I think one event to go to in the month of February. And I was thinking, and it's in the office. So I was thinking I would wear this to what I have to go to, this business meeting. So yeah, I'm thinking, you know, I want to be fancy, but I also want to be kind of like a feminine, pretty vanilla scent. So added that to my tray. I have, honey, I did a post on this on my community tab. Do you all have this? This is from Imaginary Authors, and this is a whiff of a waffle cone. Honey, when I tell you, that is such a realistic, like vanilla, heavy cream, salty caramel. I think they have like a imaginary note of like an ice cream shop. When I tell you, it just puts you in the mindset of ice cream shop or just really sweet. Oh, it is so good. Highly recommend you get this. Definitely highly recommend. Okay, moving on. We have Miss Kayali, of course. And I'm putting Musk 12 on my tray. And then I'm also putting Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper on my tray as well. because I want to combine these. You all will catch my Valentine's Day pics soon, and I suggest this layering combination for my for my girls that you don't want nobody to know what you're wearing. And I mean, if somebody asks me, I'm gonna tell them, of course, because I'm not gonna gatekeep, but I might want to smell different, but pretty and sexy, but not too heavy for Valentine's Day. So I'm trying to think of what I'm going to wear for Valentine's Day. So I have a couple of pics on here. Not sure exactly what mood I'm in. Next up, she's been on my tray before. Rosa from A Liquid Imaginaires. I tell you all the time, that is my champagne rose bubble bath type of scent. And I don't think I'm going to have that type of Valentine's Day. But, a girl got to have some options, right? It's just like shoes and a purse. We got to have, clothes. We got to have some options. So your sis got some options and some option picks for February. Don't judge. We got to just put it out there. Then I have, this is a Good Girl, but this is Fantastic. And honey, that shoe is fantastic, fantastically pink and just pretty. That pink pepper in there, honey, it is so good. Now, if you don't like a pink pepper, I'm not sure if you would like this, but to me, this gives me all of the sexy Valentine's Day vibes, and I just love it. It's just such a boss. It's such a boss to be on my tray. She's just pretty, so definitely gonna do that. So I gave you all in a last video where I did my pick 5. None of y'all said that y'all wanted more pick 5, so I assume y'all want pick 5s. This is a combination I did for that pick 5, which was Cherry Smoothie from Zara. And then I also did from Navitus Parfums, Venom of Love. So I did this layering combination, and when I tell you, I've been like, okay, can I wear it again? Can I wear it again? So I just had to throw her on the tray because I have been really loving this combination. It lasts so long and it smells so good. So if you're into a cherry, vanilla, just all the chocolate, cherry, it is such a good combination. Like, seriously, I would highly suggest, if you have these, put them together, honey. You cannot go wrong. And so that's why she on the track, because I need her again. Next up, I have from the House of Oud, and this is Keep Glazed. Honey, this is your mango strawberry leaf whipped cream fruity scent. I just need fruit, but I need a fruity scent that's going to cut through the winter season, and I just had to put this on my tray because we wrapping it up. February's here. We quickly, well, not quickly, but we coming to a close on winter, so definitely want to put her on my tray. And yeah, I'm just feeling a little bit of fruit in the winter season. Okay, I had to do a throwback. That is Poison Girl from Dior. Okay, so if you like your bitter orange, your almond, your tonka bean, vanilla, Damascus rose, this is going to be your jam. And I have not worn her in so long. You all would think that I don't wear her. I probably haven't in a long time, but I really want to get my wears with her for the month of February. So definitely added that to my tray. Next up, I have Oscar de la Renta, and this is Bella Blanca. I just got that. And of course, this has pear, lily of the valley, jasmine, rose, and musk. Honey, when I smelled this in a travel size, it was add to cart. Okay, and you can get this at a really good deal. So that was even better. Definitely add to cart. So I just want to, kind of test her out more, see what she's about. I know this is not going to be your heavy scent, but this is going to be good again for me working from home, quick grab and go. I think this would be a great musk smell for February. So added her to my tray. Next up, I have Delina, and this is the original. I've told y'all time of 20. But with Delina, I will say I always wear, and this is a Zara Fashionably London pick. I always wear these two together, and I am thinking this might be a good Valentine's Day also option. I again wanted to have options, and so if I need to go niche and add a little Zara on it, then that's what we gonna do. Okay. Moving on. Next up, I have Ariana Grande, you all, Intense. Ooh, baby, I love the Intense. I love the whipped cream. I just love this fragrance. So I definitely wanted to add that to the tray. And then also another pear scent. Juliet Has a Gun Pear Ink. Now, I think this would be a really good one for the winter. I have not worn her for the winter, but I really want to see how it, how it does with the skin and the sillage, and I just want to see how it goes. So I'm excited to definitely add that to my February tray. Moving on, so I have Jean Paul Gaultier, and this is La Belle, and I think this is maybe the old one. I was trying to figure it out, but let me know in the comment section. But this one, again, has a pear vanilla scent. Again, I've been in this pear vanilla. I'm telling you all, I don't know. What is that about? Let me know. But your sis is just wanting to have pear scent this month. So, don't judge me. That's what's going to be. Now, this one right here, Shea and Blue. This is the Salt Caramel Eau de Parfum. Now, this is not a safe blind buy. By no means. There is a watermelon one that I would say is more of a safe buy, which is really pretty. But the caramel one, you all, let me just be honest. It is sickeningly sweet. So you have to love a caramel, a heavy caramel, a sickly sweet caramel. Almost like a taffy type of caramel stuck in your teeth type of thing. It is very, very heavy on the sweet. And this can be a very big turnoff. I will just be honest, but I do love it. Now, I do pair this and layer it when I do want a caramel scent. So I kind of do the pairing, but I only wear this in the winter. And when I first smelled it, definitely being honest with you, family, it turned me off. It did. It turned me off. But when I paired it with this Skylar Vanilla Sky, I was a fan again. So I would say these two are great pairing, layering combination. If you have them, try it out. Again, if you can get a decant of the Shea Blue caramel, salt caramel, cool. But if you can't and you get a full bottle, just know you have to like a very sweet caramel and heavy on the salt. It's sickly sweet, you all. So that's your jam. Come on and join that train, okay? Next up, I have Killian and Woman in Gold. And I'm going to tell you all, I wasn't going to put this on my tray, but I feel like there's been more people talking about this. And I'm like, okay, I'm going to put this on my tray for February. It's a very beautiful scent, very powdery type of scent, but it's like what I always, not always, but what I talk about sometimes, like that rich, established money type of powder. That's what that is. It's a very, I'm trying to think and talk, but it's a very classy, very rich type of scent. I mean, I love Woman in Gold. Like, yeah, that's my jam. So, highly recommend. Definitely put that on my tray. I don't know how it's going to do with this season, this winter season, but we've had a little bit of rain. Well, a lot of bit of rain in Tennessee. So I'm hoping that this won't be a turn off for me. I know it works in spring, summer. I just don't know if it works in this season, but we will see because it's on my tray. And next, I have this beauty right here. I have Daisy Marc Jacobs Oh So Intense. Do you all have this? I have the, as you can see, the small little bottle. I think this is the 1 ounce, but this has strawberry, pear, bergamot, honey, jasmine, vanilla, and benzoin. This is so pretty. If I get through with this ever in life, you all know how I am, you know. But if I ever get through with this, I might get a bigger bottle. Like, I definitely, when I re-up, I might not just like get a travel size or like a 1 ounce again. I think I will like upgrade the size if it still exists or available when I ever get done with it, you know. Y'all know me, so I love it. Okay, so that is again on my February tray. This is Mon Guerlain Intense. Now, I got this, and I'm not gonna like lie to you all. I got this for the hype, and so I really want to give it a good test. Everybody talks about how beautiful it is, how this is like everything. This is the way to go. You need this in your life, and so I'm gonna test it out and see if I really do need this in my life. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, I'm gonna get my wares and I'm excited. Okay. And then I have Penrose. And this is Secret Genius. Do you all have this? Now, this has your caramel white chocolate. I did not stutter. White chocolate. So this has caramel white chocolate and Madagascar vanilla. So good, okay? I am excited to wear this, especially for that white chocolate note. But I also don't remember this being like a cut through winter scent, but this might be a good, like, again, work from home, easy breezy, beautiful cover girl, but an easy breezy scent that I could, you know, wear in the house or something like that, or to bed, or, you know, something, again, real simple, real chill. And last but certainly not least, I know you all see this. This is a re-up. I feel like this was on my January tray, those who have seen my tray before. And I feel like I did not give Tom Ford Noir. I did not give that a really great shot. Not even a shot. I didn't wear it. Let's just call it what it is. I didn't wear it on my tray for January, but I really do want to wear it. It was on January and now it's for February. Well, that is all, family. That is all for my tray. Hey, what is on your February tray? How is my tray looking? Does it look good? Let me know your thoughts. And let me know if you all want me to do a dedicated review on any of these fragrances. You know your sis, I got you. I will definitely do that. But until next time, make sure you all subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Again, I would love to get to know you, but hey, family, make sure that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yo sis just did. Bye, family. I love you all. Bye.